Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the BCD subtraction using 9's complement. So we are having some steps to perform BCD subtraction. Okay, so let us see. So consider that if A minus B has to be performed, then we have to follow these steps. So here, if you want to perform A minus B, that means A is called minuend and B is called subtrahend. Okay, so what we have to do here, we have to perform A plus 9's complement of B. So we will get here C, that is the summation of A plus 9's complement of B. Okay, so what we have to do further, we have to simply check in the C result whether each and every digit is correct BCD digit or not. Okay, so if any digit is in C is invalid BCD, then we have to add 6 into that digit. Here the result is D. So here consider that if any invalid BCD digit is found, then we have to add 6 into that digit. Okay, if any particular digit is proper BCD digit, then don't add 6 into that digit. Okay, now after adding 6 we will get some result that we will call as D. Okay, so here in the D value, again check whether this D value is having any invalid BCD or not. Okay, if it is having, then again process the same thing, that is we have to add 6 into the invalid BCD digit. Okay, now once you get all the BCD digits are valid BCD digits, then we have to check the fourth step and fifth step. Okay, so fourth step is about the end around carry generation. So here if end around carry is generated, then discard it and add it to the D. Okay, so here if end around carry is generated, that means the result is positive. Okay, and if end around carry is not generated, then take 9's complement of D to obtain correct magnitude of result. So in this case, no end around carry is not being generated, that means the result is negative, and here to obtain the correct magnitude we have to take the 9's complement of the result. Okay, so this is, I have written algorithm or steps you can say. So if you want to understand quickly, then we can have the symbolic process. Okay, now here we are having two cases. So first case is if you want to perform A minus B. Okay, we are considering 3-digit BCD value. Okay, and if you want to subtract B from A, so in this case consider triple A is greater than triple B. Okay, so we will follow these steps. And the another case is consider triple A value is less than triple B. So here in this case the result will be negative. Okay, but in this case the result will be positive. Okay, so let us see the process in symbolic way. So what we have to do, we have to take the 9's complement of B value. So here we have to take the 9's complement of triple B. So I am calling it as triple N, that is 9's complement. Okay, then add it to the minuend. Okay, so triple A plus triple N, we will get here triple C. We are just assuming that we are getting triple C. Okay, now in this case consider that this C value and this C value, or these two BCD digits, are invalid BCD digits. Okay, so that's why I have shown here in red color. So what we have to do, whatever digits are invalid BCD digits, that in that digit we have to add 6. Okay, so valid BCD digits means the digit value should be 0 to 9. Okay, in between that. And invalid BCD digits means if the if the value is A to F, or the carry is generated from the particular digit. Okay, that is also considered as invalid BCD digits. Okay, so here the carry may be generated from C to this next digit, or the value of C may be in between A to F hexadecimal value. Okay, So consider first and third digits are invalid BCD digits. So here we have added 6 into first and third digit. So we will get here 1DDD. Okay, likewise we are just assuming. Now again this consider in this second digit, in the second D digit, this D digit is again invalid BCD. Then what we will do? We will again add 6 into this digit. Okay, only into this digit only. Okay, so that we will obtain, we will get 1 triple D. So this is what valid BCD result. Okay, now in this case our number of digits in minuend and subtrahend is 3 digits. Okay, but we have got here 4 digit result. So if the result contains the carry, that is called end around carry, so here the carry is generated at the last, that is the fourth digit, and this fourth digit is nothing but the end around carry. So this end around carry should be discarded and it should be added into this current result, so that we can get the correct result. Okay, so this way. So here triple R is indicating the correct result, correct BCD result. Okay, so I have just drawn here, result is positive if the end around carry is generated. Now in the second case, consider that triple A is less than triple B. So what will happen? Again we will process the same thing. So A plus triple N. So and triple N is nothing but what? Triple N is nothing but the 9's complement of B, triple B. Okay, so here we will get some result C, and consider that this first digit is invalid BCD. Invalid BCD means either the digit value is greater than 9 or the carry is generated from that digit. So that is called invalid BCD. Okay, so here we have added 6 so that we can we have got here triple D with 0. Okay, so here carry is not generated, end around carry is not generated, so that means the result is negative. And in this case what we have to do, to get the correct magnitude, we have to again take the 9's complement of this triple D. Okay, so actually this result is in 9's complement form. So to obtain the correct magnitude, we have to again take the 9's complement of this obtained result. Okay, so 999 minus triple D is equal to triple R. So this is the actual magnitude with negative sign. Okay, so this is how we can perform the BCD subtraction using 9's complement. So for we will see some examples which will clear all the doubts regarding BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Okay, now let us take, say, 983 minus 712. Okay, so this is our first example. So what we have to do, 983 is the minuend and 712 is the subtrahend. So we have to take the 9's complement of 712. So 9's complement means we have to subtract 712 from 999. Okay, so 712. Now 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, so actually we are not performing in decimal, we are performing in BCD, binary coded decimal. So here each digit means what? 4-bit binary. Okay, just consider this, each digit is nothing but the 4-bit binary value. Okay, so this 287 should be added into 983 plus 287. Okay, so 7 plus 3 is A, that is 10. Okay, then 8 plus 8 is 16. So 16 means in hexadecimal 10. Okay, so carry 1, summation 0. So 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 means C. Okay, so this result is in hexadecimal, right? Now check whether all the digits are proper BCD format. So here the first digit is exceeding the value 9, so first digit is invalid, add 6 here. Okay, what about second digit? From the second digit the carry is generated here. Okay, that means second digit is also invalid BCD, so add 6 here also. And what about third? This value is also greater than 9, so add 6 into the third digit also. Okay, 10 plus 6, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 means 1 0, 1 0. Okay, 6 plus 1 is 7, 12 plus 6, that is 18, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 in hexadecimal is 1 2. Okay, so 1 2. Now check all the digits are proper BCD format. Yes, because no carry is generated from the digits. Okay, from these 3 digits. Okay, and all the digits are less than 10. Okay, in between 0 to 9. So here we have got correct BCD result. Now the next step is we have got here end around carry, that is the fourth digit, always fourth digit. Okay, it is not compulsory that it is always fourth digit, but your subtraction is 3 digit, so fourth digit will be end around carry. If your subtraction is suppose 2 digits, then end around carry will be third digit. Okay, so here end around carry is generated, discard it and add it to the current BCD result. Okay, so 2 7 1, this is the actual result. Now let's just cross check whether this result is correct or wrong. We will perform direct in decimal. Okay, so 983 minus 712, 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 1 is 7, and 9 minus 7 is 2. So 271 is the right result. Okay, correct result. Okay, so this is about the first example. Now we will see something different examples also. Okay, so consider second example, 945 minus 744. Okay, we will consider this one example. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take the 9's complement of subtrahend. Okay, and add it to the minand. So 999 minus 744 will be 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, so this will be added into 945 plus 255. Okay, this is 9's complement of 744. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 means A. Okay, then 4 plus 5 is 9, then 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 means B. Okay, now check whether all the digits are in correct BCD format. So check the first digit. So first digit is exceeding value 9, so add 6 here. Okay, what about second digit? Second digit is in proper BCD format, so no need to add 6 into the second digit. What about third digit? Third digit is also invalid BCD digit. Okay, so we will add here 6. Okay, so 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 means 10 in hexadecimal, 1 carry 1 and summation is 0. 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 means again A. Then 11 plus 6, 11 plus 6 is 17, 17 in hexadecimal is 1 1, 1 1. So here end around carry is generated. Okay, but instead of immediately adding it to the current result, we have to again check whether the BCD result is proper in BCD format or not. So here again we have obtained incorrect or invalid BCD digit. Okay, so we will add 6 once again. Okay, so add 6 here. Okay, no need to add into this 0 or 1. Okay, so 0, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 means 1 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, and this one will be taken as it is. Okay, now check whether these digits are proper BCD value. Yes, so this one should be discarded and added into this result. Okay, so we will add 1 into this 200. So 201 is the result. So to check whether this result is correct or wrong, we will perform this subtraction in decimal. Okay. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 4 is 0, and 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, so 201 is the result. Okay, so this is about we add the value 6 two times. Okay, for the two steps. Now we'll see the third and two more examples which will give you, or which will have number of digits, unequal number of digits. Okay, so let us see that examples. So consider that we want to perform 105 minus 60. Okay, so here what we will do, we will take the 9's complement of 60. Okay, but actually just check, the minuend is 3 digit and subtrahend is 2 digit. So you may be thinking that whether we have to subtract 60 from 99. No. Okay, why? Because the subtrahend and the minuend number of digits should be equal. Okay, if the minuend is 3 digit and subtrahend is 2 digit, then also we have to consider this subtrahend is of 3 digit. Okay, and according to that we will perform the subtraction. So consider 3 digit subtrahend, that is 060. We have to consider 060 because our minuend is 3 digit. Okay, that's why. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 0 is 9. Okay, so this, it should be added into 105. 105 plus 939. Okay, so this was our 9's complement of 60. Then 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 means E. Okay, then 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 1 is A. Okay, now next we have to check whether all the digits are valid BCD. No. Okay, so whichever digit is invalid BCD, we have to add 6 into that digit. Okay, so plus 6 here should be added and 6 should be added into third digit. Now again we will perform 14 plus 6 is 20 in decimal. So convert it into hexadecimal, that is 14. Okay, 1 is carry and 4 is the summation. 3 plus 1 is 4. 10 plus 6 is 16. 16 means 10. Okay, so whether these 3 digits are valid BCD digits? Yes. So what we will do, we will consider this end around carry to add into the current, or we will discard this end around carry and add it into the current result. Okay, now 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 and 0. Okay, so this is our final result. Okay, so 105 minus 60 is 45. So here if we have obtained here end around carry, that means the result is positive. Okay, now consider we want to perform 60 minus 105. Then what will happen? We will check now. 60 minus 105. So in this case, so this is our fourth example, this is our third example. So number of digits of minuend and subtrahend should be equal. Okay, and according to that we will subtract each and every digit from 9 of the subtrahend. Okay, so 105 is already in 3 digit value. So 999 minus 105. Okay, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, so this should be added into 60. So this is our 9's complement of 105. So 60 plus 894. Okay, 4 plus 0 is 4, 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 means F, 8 plus 0 is 8. Okay, now all the digits are valid BCD digits? No. So whichever digit is invalid BCD, we will add 6 into that digit. Okay, so here F is the invalid BCD digit, so add 6 into this digit only. So 4 will be taken as it is. 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 is decimal. 21 in hexadecimal is 15. 15. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, Now here all the digits are valid BCD digits. Okay, so what we will do, we will simply take the 9's complement of 954 to obtain the magnitude of the result. Okay, so just subtract 954 from 999. 954. So here 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 9 is 0. So actually this value is negative because the end around carry is not generated. Okay, so here I hope you understood how to perform BCD subtraction using 9's complement. Thank you.